Where are you?
On a train
Where are you going?
to the airport.
Oh, he's ready to go, isn't he? It's another one coming in.
A light rail
It's a green line, and where does it go?
to the airport.
And then you're gonna get on a plane and fly on a plane. Nice.
So I can get back to Tulsa, Oklahoma,
Nice.
because it's where I live.
All right, here we go. Which train are you gonna ride now?
The light rail.
The green line? Stand over a little bit this way. That way we can see him come in. Here he comes, Broly. Are you gonna get on him? It's the light rail time. Let's go. Another picture of the train with the buffers and the light rail train. Ready to go to West Valley, Salt Lake City, Utah. With Roland at the Salt Lake City Airport. And Roland, what line is this?
We sure are.
This is the green line light rail train that goes to Salt Lake City, right?
Yeah, it sure is a light rail. That light rails
Yep.
look like that because they're on light rail tracks.
Yep. See the connectors down there? It's getting ready to go. And right here, what's that? What's this black thing right there?
But those are buffers.
Buffers, yep. They stop the train when it's out of control. All right, there's a parking garage off in the distance. All right, let's go catch a plane. There goes the passengers. They're all loaded on board.
Those are all the trains we're riding.
There goes the green line. Taken off to deliver passengers to the city.
Oh, the airplane flew by.
Yes. All right, let's go board our plane.
Thanks for joining me today on YouTube.